back to my channel. If you are new here, be sure to subscribe, turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of my future videos. In today's occasion, I'll be showing you how to make chicken and cheese flautas. They're really cheesy flautas that I'm sure your whole family will enjoy, and I'll be topping that off with queso fresco, lettuce, and tomato, and of course my green salsa as pictured here. I'm going to begin by boiling my chicken along with fourth of an onion and 3 garlic cloves. Of course, I'll be adding salt and pepper to taste, and that is at your discretion, but just a teaspoon of each will be sufficient. So I have my water boiling at medium-high heat, so let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to begin by adding in my chicken. This is equivalent to about 3 chicken breasts. And then I'll be incorporating the onion and the garlic along with that, and a teaspoon of salt and pepper to taste. Okay, after cooking this for 20 minutes, I'm good to go ahead and remove from the bowl and allow this to cool down before shredding it a little bit, and then going ahead and putting together the cheese and chicken flautas. So the next step here is to heat up our tortillas. I'm just going to wrap them in just paper towels to go ahead and warm them up. So this is what a chicken should look like, and it falls apart, and so that's when you know it's done. Okay guys, so I'm ready to heat up my tortillas for just 30 seconds. Okay, after heating up my tortillas for 30 seconds, they are still a little stiff, so I do want them softer, so I'm just going to pop them back in for another 30 seconds. The next step is shredding all of your chicken. I went ahead and added 3 tablespoons of the green salsa to it to give it additional flavor, and that is completely optional whether or not you want to add the salsa. It tastes great on its own without it as well. So I just added that in and give it a mix. I also do have a tomatillo salsa recipe within my channel listed here if you're interested in learning that, but I just give this a good mix, and then I grabbed my tortilla, set the mozzarella stick right over it, and then stuffed it with some chicken, and then rolled it outwards. And then I repeated the process over and over again before inserting the toothpick right in the center to keep it in place. Inserting the toothpick is optional. Just remember to remove it right after it comes out of the pan, or you can get the long kebab sticks and stick it all the way through several flautas. I've done that before and it works just fine as well. In the next step, you want to insert the toothpicks right through the center using the edge of the tortilla to keep it in place at the time of frying your flautas. At medium to high heat, you want to set plenty of oil in your pan and then fry the flauta on each side until golden brown. You don't want to overcook it. Just golden brown is perfect. and then go ahead and remove and set into a separate plate there with paper towels to soak the excess oil. And your flautas should look something like this. And trust me when I say that you probably won't make flautas the old way ever again after you try these. Now for the best part is topping our flautas with some lettuce, tomato, queso fresco, and green salsa. Be sure to add guacamole to it as well, and sour cream, as I did forget, but definitely a must add to add to these. Or you can make it your own and add maybe like curtido de cabbage con zanahoria and red onion. The possibilities are endless for that, but I do thank you so much for stopping by. Be sure to check other recipes listed within this channel, as there is something for everyone in addition to baked goods, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.